a pretty old machine. So this is India, how it looks like. So basically you have the controls over here, and this is the old stereo system. It's just a normal stereo system. This is for the cabin light. Let me just turn on the aircon. Okay, these are manual switches for that we added for some other tabs, display, and this for one another light, and this for the aircon. So it's getting cool now. Circulation switch, and this is for the mirror to heat up. So the beep sound is ABS malfunction. There's a lot of errors coming up. Brake pressure is low. It's slowly building up. So you see the axle is already broken, and just now it was rotating and hitting the sides. When I turned off the switch, the connection switch, then it actually stopped rotating. So it got some, it's showing some errors inside the system. ABS malfunction, some other errors. There is an indicator showing that the link is already stopped. Fuel gauge is there. There is a temperature. There is RPM meter. Pretty simple, old style, old one. Headlight switches are here on the right side. Then there is this speed control. If you want to go on auto speed, and the remaining controls are on the steering here. Here you can restore, increase speed, decrease speed, and off, basically for the auto cruise function. This is for the phone connection, manual connection. Then there is this window controls on the right hand side here. There is no other things over here. So just now this is the link we actually stopped. These are all empty buttons. There is nothing installed here. These are optional for you to have any add-ons like this. This is an add-on we have it here. The parking brake already in the upgrade stage, and this is for the fifth wheel. Then there is a 12 volts output here. This gear is basically, you have reverse on first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, then mounts on the furthermore next level you have 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th secondary gears. So here it's a ABS malfunction. Then on the right side another warning is air consumption is critical. Then ABS malfunction. Then is the linkage broken. I mean, it's pretty much I use this switch to break the link. So these are the warnings right now. I'm basically using these keys here on the steering to go through the warnings or any other functions. Okay, so here startup check, I go to warnings. So for everything I'm using this.